Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. So today I'm going to do a very quick one, guys, and I want to introduce you guys to this brand new faucet. Like, it's massive, it's high paying, it's a new faucet. So for those of you who are used to collecting various coins, be it BNB, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron TRX, on various faucets, sites. Like, these are faucets. I don't know if you know what a faucet is, but it's basically like it's a website where you collect coins, cryptocurrencies in very small quantities, and you're able to withdraw these cryptocurrencies by using a micro wallet such as Faucet Pay. There's another one, there's Express Crypto, but that's not our focus today. Our focus today is on this website, and as you guys can see, the name of the faucet what we'll be using today is freefaucet.biz. freefaucet.biz. So guys, when you log into the site, don't even bother about going to type freefaucet.biz, because I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. I will leave my referral link in the description. Guys, please sign up using my referral link, and not just me, always sign up on the internet using a referral link. Like, it just helps someone and it costs nothing to help that person, you understand? So I'll leave a referral link in the description. I'll also leave a referral link to Faucet Pay for those of you who don't have a micro wallet which you can use to withdraw your coins from freefaucet.b. So I'll be leaving all that in the description. So guys, when you come to the site, it's good. This is what it's basically going to be. I think down here, these are the recent withdrawals. This person has withdrawn 1,104 Satoshi to this wallet, and mind you, all these withdrawals have been made to a micro wallet, because if you want to withdraw this directly to your wallet, the amount is too small, and the network fee they charge, you cannot do this directly. So you have to accumulate it in a micro wallet such as Faucet Pay first, and then you can be able to withdraw it now to your wallet. This person, so as low as 19 Satoshi, 14. Like, you don't have to say no, how, when am I going to make this? Guys, you can withdraw. It's a faucet. It's basically a faucet, and it's actually a best right now, because you don't have to claim 1 Satoshi after every 5 minutes. This faucet runs on like no timer. You can just keep claiming and claiming and claiming. You can claim as many times as you want to claim in 1 minute. You understand? So when you come to the site, this is basically how it's going to be. I'm using this on a mobile device, so you can see. If it was on a laptop, yeah. So you see what I'm doing, basically scrolling left to right now to just show you all of the view, guys. So when you come, you can either click on sign up and you do all of this, but I already have an account. You see, there's nothing to it, just to put in a username which you want to use, an email address and a password, and boom, you're good to go. But I don't want to sign up, guys. I don't want to sign up, so I'm going to click on login. I'm going to click on login, and I'm going to put either my username or my email address. So right now I'm going to type in my password. I'm just going to type in my password now, guys. Yeah. Okay, sorry for that awkward silence. I was just typing in my password, and in the video I'm going to be blocking that so that someone doesn't access my account here. And right now all I'm doing is just the captcha, just to verify that I'm a human being, and login. Success. I'm being redirected. Okay guys, so when you come into the website, this is basically how it looks. Do not be bothered, don't be alarmed. Like, there's many stuff going on here, but that's it. Okay, so literally you scroll down and come here, and it says I'm not a robot. Once you click on that and select all traffic lights and you confirm, you basically roll. And just by rolling, boom, see what I've made. It said, congratulations, your lucky number was 72,128 and you won 2 coins, refresh and roll again. So I just want to show you guys something that is really a no timer, as they said. So I've just done that, and I'm going to claim again. Now they say to tick all tractors, so that's what I'll do. I'm verified. Okay, boom, I just rolled 3 coins, and I'm going to do that again, guys. I just want you all to see what's going on here, just to show you that on this website you can claim as many times as you want to claim in 1 minute, and that's what makes it very, very, very unique. Remember that, as I'll be showing you later on in this website, these coins we're collecting will be directly converted them to BTC, and that's what we are going to withdraw to our Faucet Pay. I will not be withdrawing in this video because I want to amass my coins. I literally just found out about, sorry for this, guys, my phone seems to have frozen. I literally just found out about this site, and I decided to rush and share the news with you guys. So yeah, that's it. So this is just one way of earning on this platform. This is just one way. If I scroll to the left and I click on this icon right here, you'll see earn coins. You have referrals, free rewards, offers, and more. So if we go to earn coins, we're going to see that there are various ways by which we can earn here. We have the Faucet, which is what we have just done. We have short links. You can visit short links, guys. You can do short links. I actually don't want to take you through all that because I don't want this video to become excessively long. I just want to show you. You can also do pay to click. If you see I have 0 now, this is because I have done that already. I've viewed my ad. You see there's no website available yet because I have already viewed the ad. So in this video I'm literally just giving you guys like a tutorial. There are jobs and you can redeem coupons, you see, guys. So there's just a lot going on, and you can also go to offers. You see, for those who, most of these offers are not available worldwide, but if you happen to be in a region where you can do a gem, offer daddy, kiwi wall, CPA lead, then this is just even like amazing. You see, here you have withdrawal history, your deposit history, your account settings, your membership. I'm a free member. I literally just got on this website now, on this Faucet now, and I'm sharing this with you guys. So we'll be making this money together. I'm going to do an update video of my withdrawal on this same Faucet, so that you guys know that this Faucet is real. It's real. Like, I want you to jump on freefaucet.biz right now. Let's get these coins, guys. So literally I'll just go back and refresh my page. Okay, if you see something here, you say account balance, I've claimed 61 coins. The coin value of those 61 coins is 6 Satoshi. And guys, these 61 coins, it took me less than 5 minutes claiming this. Less than, because I watched a PTC ad, which was what, 10 coins actually. And these other ones, like, it doesn't take long to get that, you know. It doesn't take long. Depending on the number you roll, it doesn't take long at all. Let's go back to the Faucet and let me show you guys something. Okay, now we are here. We are back at the Faucet. So this is how it goes. If you roll a number from 1 to 59,999, you make 1 coin. If you roll from 60,000 to 79,999, you make 2 coins, and the list goes on. Now if you roll exactly the number 99,999, you win the jackpot, which is what, 10,000 coins all at once. And guys, you know, if you I've done 33 claims. You see, I've done 33 claims and I've made 61 coins. And those 33 claims is literally like 33 seconds, guys. It's just like 1 second to roll and refresh, 1 second roll. Just, I mean, if you look at it critically, these 33 claims, I literally did it in 1 minute. I did it in 1 minute. You understand? So it's not something that is tedious. It's not something that is, you say this and that. It's something I want you all to jump on this faucet right now. So I'll be leaving the link to freefaucet.biz in my description. And yeah, that's it guys, for this video. So we're going to end this video with one more roll, yeah, and we'll call it quits for this video. That's it for this video guys. Thank you all for watching. Please, if you have watched up to this moment, please can you kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. I really love to interact with you guys. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what else you want me to create content on. Like, let's share, let's grow together. Let me know what has been your journey online. Have you made money online? How much? If you've not made money online, are you looking to make money online? Let's connect online. So please it helps a lot. Comment and then subscribe. Thank you all. Peace out.